Hey friends, in the last video we created this amazing super modern e-commerce site and we used Pullingo WordPress theme. You can watch this specific video to overview the Pullingo WordPress theme and start creating a modern website using this theme. And we have multiple home pages with this theme. Okay, so this website uses multiple images, and when your website is using multiple images, it can be a reason of slow loading of your website if images are not optimized or compressed in well format. It can be a reason of slow loading of your website, and it is important to optimize images on your WordPress website, any website in fact. So fortunately, luckily we have WordPress, and with WordPress we have all the possibilities. So in this video I am going to share a very useful tool for faster loading of your WordPress website in a complete autopilot mode. So we are going to compress images and that can be a instant performance and speed optimization, and it hardly takes few minutes in optimizing all the images. So WP Compress is instant performance and speed optimization tool that is available in form of plugin, and you can use this plugin for free. And you can see the optimization score is going to be enhanced, improved, and this plugin is being used by 9,000 plus live websites, so it is well tested, of course. So with this plugin we are going to load faster, high rank higher, convert better on complete autopilot. Okay, that is fine. One click smart optimization, easy to use, get infinitely customizable, and effortlessly speed up mobile websites, and keep feature for WP Compress. So we can check all these things when we are installing this plugin. So WP Compress is the plugin name that you can get at WP repository. For testing purpose, I am going to install this plugin on our website. So what we can simply find the plugin here, add plugin option, and since it is available for free at WordPress repository, we can directly install the plugin from WordPress interface. Simply find WP Compress, and I believe we will get the result. WP Compress, so it is here. It is Aries IT, and I will check again. It is from Aries IT. Yes, this is the plugin, and we can simply install this and activate after installation. The all simple steps, and I'm targeting only those resources for WordPress websites that can be used by everyone without having any technical knowledge, without any developer intervention, so that everyone can have a good website with all good features and all the options that is required for a business websites. Yes. So you can and get in touch directly with us with a mentor on the live chat at our iCreate program, and you can ask as many ad questions you want, and it is going to be absolutely free for you. So we have activated the plugin, and WP Compress is here. Faster load times, just a click away. So let us get started. This is the link, and I believe the link is also here. Okay, so we can check back later. So we can get started from this header link. Okay. So plugin activation, enter your access key, unlock all premium features including advanced configuration, image optimization, and global CDN access, and use in the light version. So when we are going to use the premium, we can have the access key, or we can also go with the light version. So since we are using the free one, we can go with the light version. Okay, so this is the dashboard that we can use, and the original size and after optimization impact have been shown here. Usually takes 2 minutes, and it is already working. So I have yet not done any setting, or I have yet not clicked anything. It is working at its own. So optimization stats can be seen here. Page side, the request, and the server responses. It is all going automatically. So, and the quick optimization options have been checked like cache, CSS, JavaScript, lazy loading, and images. And further, we have advanced setting options, and there are some pro features just in case. Instant speed boost, one click smart optimization. Okay, and this is the dashboard where we can go for further setting like image optimization option, adaptive image. We can use the adaptive image styles like inten- intelligently accept images based on the incoming visitor's device. So it is good, and we can have these all options resides by incoming device. So this is really good. So it is accepting the images in the device for the device which is being used for access the website, and serve retina images, background images on the serve WP images, all automatic. Lazy loading, native lazy, and the skip lazy loading, and all these options. So native lazy is already enabled. Okay. Performance clicks, we can enable the caching, exclude the form caching, and we can configure the forms. Ignore server cache control, cache for logged in users, the cache headers, and the purg cache on update. Okay, CSS optimization options, CSS beta mode, JavaScript optimization. So by default, all required is selected and enabled. You can toggle what you want to have at your website. Just in case if you are facing any trouble after implementing this plugin, using this plugin, you can disable the things. Other optimization options are also here. So remove duplicate font awesome, disable dash C icons, disable O image. So these are very advanced setting. Lazy load, font awesome, and by default all those things are enabled that you need. UX settings options, hide admin bar, hide cache status, hide critical CSS status, so we can enable the things. Okay, good. Smart optimization options, so homepage is optimized, so this is really very helpful. Landing page, walk, the blog optimized, the home 6 7 is optimized, so it is all mentioned here which page is optimized. So 54 pages had been optimized in my installation, particularly this for this installation. It may vary for your installation, and this all being done automatically. I have yet not configured anything. So we can even integrate the Cloudflare here if you are using the CT and Cloudflare. Okay, so it is all great setting, and I believe WP compress, and we can come back to the dashboard. Now we can check the score, and we can further start optimization. Okay, it is all done, and we can check the performance results. Once you click the start optimization, optimization gets in progress, and you can wait for message on the screen. And you can also select the preset optimization mode. So if you are facing any trouble in aggressive mode, you can change the mode. So one click configure recommended image optimization setting and performance tricks based on your preferences and website compatibility. So just click on this, and you can change the mode like recommended mode, aggressive mode. So just for convenience, I am going to set in recommended mode so that there should not be any trouble at the website. So recommended mode is selected, and the optimization is in progress. Image optimization, all these settings is going on. And we can even check the results like original size was here. So it is complete, and we can check the stats here. Original was 1.9 MB, and after optimization it is just 0.5, so one fourth. So the result can be seen directly here, and this is the beauty of plugin, that we are doing nothing and everything is being done automatically, like a magic. And this is what it is called, autopilot mode. So autopilot for compressing all the images, and results of optimization can be seen on the live website. So if you are using any optimization checking tool like GT Matrix, so you can check the difference here. So you can put your website URL and the GT Matrix and check the score after optimization of the images. So I believe this tool is really helpful, and since it is available for free, so there is no harm in optimizing the images, since it is not impacting our website anyhow, and keeping the original quality, and the cache is also being maintained, the critical CSS can be handled. So it is a good plugin. Even you are not using any optimization plugin, you can have this. So it can be a complete resource, since it is optimizing all the resources, in fact, in addition to images. So basically we need to optimize images, nothing else. Ratio of the elements like CSS and all the coding area have been always taken care by the theme developers nowadays, and WordPress itself is a optimized platform. So only images are the concern for the speed, and if you are handling the images properly according to the devices through which your website is being accessed, it is going to work fine. And with this plugin, what is amazing, so it is optimizing the images according to the devices resized by incoming device. So this is the main feature that you are having with this plugin, and it is like adaptive images, and it is a very wonderful and a smart way to optimize use according to the device that is being used for accessing your website. So I believe this plugin is helpful for you and you are going to use this. And how you optimize your website, what is the performance results, write in the comment section. And if you have any question, don't hesitate in asking on the live chat here. So in the next video, I'm coming with more resources. In this video, we discussed WP Compress, which is a instance performance and speed optimization tool for WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.